Did you know that you can actually create a virtual input device that feeds data directly into your existing input action asset? Like this, we have a super simple player controller setup. It uses the Unity input system component, where the move action is mapped to the classic keyboard WASD keys to move our player's transform.
All right, let's take a look at the script, which we'll call Virtual Input Handler.
First up, we declare 3 fields. We need a reference to a keyboard device, a keyboard state struct to hold our custom key data, and a simple lazy update Boolean flag, so we only stress the input system when something actually changes.
Then let's make an initializer inside a wake. This is where the magic starts. We call inputSystem.addDevice keyboard and give it a custom name. This literally tells Unity, hey, a new keyboard just got plugged into the machine, even though it's completely virtual.
Next, we have our public move method, which takes a vector2 axis. This is what our UI joystick will call. Inside, we use keyboardState.set to dynamically flip the Boolean state of W, S, A, and D depending on which way the joystick is being pushed. If the joystick is pushed up, W becomes true. If it's pushed down, S becomes true, and so on. Then we set lazy update to true because we have fresh data ready to send.
In the update loop, if lazy update is flagged, we call inputSystem.queueStateEvent. This pushes our updated virtual keyboard state into Unity's main input event queue. Once it's sent, we reset the flag to save performance.
Don't forget cleanup. If this component gets disabled, we reset the keyboard state back to its default, which means all keys are released. We queue that empty state so the player doesn't get stuck walking forever and turn off our update flag.
Finally, in onDestroy, we make sure to properly remove the virtual device from the system to avoid memory leaks or phantom devices cluttering your project.
Now, all you have to do is drop this script into your scene. Take any standard virtual joystick UI asset, there are tons of great free options on the asset store, and link its onValueChanged event to call our public move method.
And just like that, take a look. The player moves flawlessly following the virtual joystick.
If we open up the Input Debugger window, you can actually see our custom My Virtual Keyboard device updating in real time alongside the joystick movements. And the best part, your actual physical keyboard still works perfectly simultaneously.
This workflow makes managing multi-platform projects incredibly clean. All that's left for you to do is dynamically filter your input actions based on the active device, and you've got a rock-solid cross-platform input system ready to go. That's it, and see you in the next Unity Tips.